Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 14 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add card to your smartphone. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter your Apple ID and go to payment and shipping. Now select Add Payment Method and select between Apple Pay, Credit Debit Card, Blick or Mobile Phone. First let's select Apple Pay, tap Done, and if you've got your payment card linked to your Apple Pay, you'll be able to pay with your phone. Now we can again go to Add Payment Method. And if you want to add credit or debit card to your phone, you have to enter number, expires and CVV security code. Then simply tap Done. With the Blick, you have to simply press Done. And Blick is now linked with your Apple ID. In the end, you can add mobile phone, simply enter phone number and submit. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.